Good morning, guys. It's ATO. What's up, you guys? It's Good Afternoon. What you guys been up to? Anything for questions? Anything exciting? Well, right now I am planning some stuff. I'm trying to figure things out slowly but surely. But this is gonna be fun. And really challenging sometimes. I'm going to be doing some stuff. It's going to be fun and challenging. Going to clean up some stuff. Today is going to be probably a cleaning day, I'm thinking. That's what's going to go on. I don't know what other things I'm going to be doing yet. I haven't decided yet. But it's probably going to be a cleaning day today. Yeah. So I'm going to do my dishes, I'm going to do organization, stuff like that, because I still have lots of cans in this bag. There's lots of cans in that bag, but trying to try to get everything organized just in case anything happens. Don't know why my pad's in the kitchen, you guys. Yes, the kitchen. Yeah. So, and I'm probably gonna do some shaving before my dad and me go for a walk. So that's the plan, you guys.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
I just got done clean shaving. Yeah, just got done clean shaving. Clean shaving. So I got done clean shaving, you guys. So it's gonna be fun, challenging. I'm gonna see if they got the mail. I don't know if they got my postage. I don't know. Let's see. Hey guys, so Dad and me are gonna go for a walk, so I'm just heading out. So talk to you guys when I head out. So talk to you guys then. So right now, you guys, I am doing my dishes. You guys, I'm going to clean up my dishes and find out, like, it's really dirty. Some of these dishes are really, really dirty, so I'm going to clean them really good. So that's what I'm doing right now. So onto the dish time! You guys, I'm just having some of my cans, some stuff, so this one's gonna put in the microwave. We haven't had these for a while, you guys. These are so good. So right now, you guys, I'm just about to head to Bible study, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna head out to Bible study. It's been a while since I read to Bible study, so that's what we're gonna do. So talk to you guys when we head to Bible study. So I just got done Bible study. It was really interesting, you guys. So now I will talk to you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so I just got home. I just cooking veggies and some pork chop, and then also I'm gonna have some macaroni. So and then I'm gonna make a video tonight, which I'm gonna have to get some stuff from the freezer. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get some stuff from the freezer. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow. It's a brand new video. Goodbye.